Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have an exciting unboxing to share with you. This is an Hermes bag unboxing. This is my first bag purchase of 2023, so I'm really excited. And yeah, I'm gonna get right into it and then I'll kind of give the story afterwards after I show what I got. So this is a true unboxing. I just picked this up from the boutique. So let's open it up. Alright, so this is the dust bag, and she did tell me this dust bag is a little bit different than the regular ones because this is a special edition bag. So yeah, I'm actually not sure what the difference is. I think it's this, the picture, and it's in blue. It looks black, but it's actually in blue. It looks black on the camera for some reason, but this is blue and the drawstring is blue. Yeah, I don't know. I would have to compare it to another dust bag, which I don't have handy right now, but anyway. Oh, and let's see what's here. So this is the care booklet, I believe, and this is the raincoat. So this style comes with a raincoat. All right, to reveal. So here it is. This is the Bolide 25, but it is the new special version for I think it's the 100th anniversary of the Bolide, and it is called I believe it's called the Bolide Un Desord bag. I'm probably pronouncing that incorrectly. My French is not good, but it's a bit different than a regular Bolide 25, and this is in black Epsom leather. Like the body of the bag is Epsom, and then the other parts I believe are Swift. So it has like a pocket here, which I think can fit cards, and it has a patch here that is also Swift, and I believe the handles are Swift, and it is gold hardware. So there is a lock and key, so this in theory can lock, which obviously we wouldn't actually do, but the tab here goes like that. And then the inside we've got again, this is blue, but it looks black on camera. We've got the shoulder strap here, which is also Epsom leather with gold hardware. And I'll show you the inside. Oh, here is the lock and key. So it has a little clochette with here's the gold lock, and then the keys are in here. And I guess in theory you can hang that on the bag. I don't know if I will do that or not. I think I might just keep them in the pouch for now. And here is the inside. The inside is a really soft leather. It has two slip pockets, so one on this side and then one on the other side. And it says Hermes Paris, made in France. And it's a good size. So this is the 25, which I find to be a really nice size. I have looked at the mini Bolide before. It is quite tiny. This one is still a small bag, but it will hold quite a bit and be easy to get into because it unzips down all the way down like this. So it's a nice wide opening. So the story behind this purchase, this bag wasn't actually on my wish list. I have a few Hermes bags on my wish list right now. But a few weeks ago, I was in the boutique to pick something up, and my SA showed me this bag in gold with gold hardware. And I really liked it. So I tried it on and I was like, oh, this is really cute with the different features, details, like a special bowl lead. She was telling me all the special things about it. And I don't know, I hesitated because number one, it wasn't on my wish list, and number two, it was gold and I already have my gold mini Evelyn. I'm trying not to repeat colors in Hermes bags just because they're so few and far between. You don't get Hermes bags that often, so I want to try to get different colors when I am able to get one. So I did pass on it, but then later in the day, I just couldn't stop thinking about it, and I asked my SA if it was still available, and of course it was not. It was gone. So bags sell so fast when they're available in the store. So I thought, okay, well, obviously that wasn't meant to be. I didn't buy it right away, but it became a style I was interested in because I actually got to look at it, try it on and everything in the store. Then last weekend, I believe it was, one popped up on the website. I happened to be looking at the website, and when I refreshed it, it popped up. And so usually when bags pop up, they sell instantly, and it's really hard to purchase them, but I was able to add it to cart. I was able to check out, and yeah, I picked it up at the boutique. You can either have it shipped or pick up in boutique, and I picked it up in the boutique. So that's what I did today, is I went and picked it up, and I'm actually happy that I didn't get the gold one because I don't have a black with gold hardware Hermes bag, so this isn't repetitive like the gold. I mean, mini Evelyn and this are different, but I really wanted a black with gold hardware bag, and so yeah, so moral of the story, it's a good thing that I went with my first instinct and passed on the other one, because this one ended up popping up. And yeah, I was able to get it on the website, which was really, really lucky because it's quite difficult to do. Yeah, so these special features are the pocket. It actually has a slightly asymmetrical handle, so you can see that one is up here and one is down here, and it's the same on this side. Which I know some people don't like, but I actually think it's a really cute feature. And it has the patch here instead of, I believe it's the Bolide 27 has it up here. I think the regular 25 doesn't have the patch, but this one's got it here. So I just like these little details because this is a bit, not boring, but a bit of a plain style usually, but this just adds a little bit of interest and fun to a bag that's pretty plain. And the strap is just a shoulder strap, but what I like about it is it's removable, so I can get another strap from the boutique to add if I want to wear it crossbody, or I have extenders from Organize My Bag that I can add to these and make this longer so that I can wear it crossbody. So that is a good option to have. So yeah, this is my first bag of 2023, so I'm really, really excited about it. I think it's special because the Bolide was actually the first bag ever to have a zipper. So it's kind of a fun piece of history, and it's the anniversary of the bag. So I think there probably will be a little more interest in the Bolide this year because of the anniversary. So yeah, I think this will be a really, really useful bag. It seems to hold a lot. I just unboxed it, so I haven't put anything in it, but it seems to be a good size. I love how it has the top handles and the strap, and it's black Epsom, so should be nice and durable. Yeah, so that is my very lucky Hermes.com find for right now. I haven't had a whole lot of luck lately on the Hermes website in terms of bags, but yeah, this was really lucky. So even the essays, when I was picking it up, they were like, wow, you were really lucky to be able to get this on the website. So really, really grateful and happy to have been able to get this. And I think that's it for this video. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.